In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airtable to Google Sheets for a seamless integration. First, we need to head over to Zapier, a popular automation tool that allows you to connect different applications and services to streamline your workflow. You can do this by opening your browser and navigating to the Zapier website. Once you're there, you'll notice a prominent invitation to automate without limits. Now, the best part about Zapier is that you can start using it for free just by clicking Start Free with Google. This option will let you utilize Zapier's basic functionalities without any upfront cost, which is fantastic if you're trying it out for the first time. Once you've clicked that, you'll be prompted to log in using your Google credentials. Enter your email and password and make sure to click on Continue to proceed. You might have to authorize Zapier to access certain permissions on your Google account, so just follow those on-screen instructions. After you've logged into Zapier, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard page. Look for the Zap button, typically located in the top navigation, and give it a click. This will start the process of creating a new automation, also known as a Zap in Zapier's terminology. When the next page prompts you, you'll want to select Trigger App. In this integration, we're going to choose Airtable as our trigger app. Click on it, and this will set the stage for when and how your automation will begin. Next, let's turn our attention to setting up the action part of the Zap. This is where the work from Airtable will be pushed over to Google Sheets. You'll want to select Action App, which in this case is Google Sheets. As you select Google Sheets, it links the two platforms together, so any updates or new data in Airtable can directly reflect in your specified Google Sheets document. With the two applications chosen, now it's time to fine-tune which actions and events will trigger this Zap. You'll see an option to choose Trigger Event for Airtable. Click on this and select the event that makes the most sense for your use case. Choose wisely because this will dictate how and when the information will begin transferring from Airtable to Google Sheets. Lastly, move on to Google's Action Event Setup. Similar to Airtable, you'll select an option that best suits what you want to achieve on the Google Sheets side when new data lands. Once you finalize these choices, your Zap will be good to go. That's it. You've successfully connected Airtable to Google Sheets using Zapier, automating your workflow and saving yourself lots of time on repetitive tasks. Remember, with these automations in place, your data stays updated in real time without you having to lift a finger. Happy automating.